Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is, we have a semicircle and there are two squares inside this semicircle, and the side of one square is 2 and the side of another square is 4. How to find the shaded area of this semicircle? How can we solve this? We can solve this by, first we will calculate area of the semicircle and then minus area of the small square, and let this is A1, and then area of the large square, let this is A2. But how we can find the area of the semicircle? So first we need to calculate the radius of this semicircle. How to find the radius? Draw a line from the center of this semicircle to this corner of the square, and this is the radius of this semicircle. Now this length is 2 and this is 4. So r square by Pythagoras theorem will be equal to 2 square plus 4 square, and r square is equal to 20. We don't need to simplify this. So area of the semicircle will be equal to half of pi r square minus area of the small square is 4 plus area of the large square is 16. Now simplify this, half of pi and r square is 20 minus 16 plus 4, so this is 20. Simplify this, 10 pi minus 20, and this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.